Rio sir. So guys, right now we are at PQ Exotic Bird Park, and you can see, as per the name, full birds. It's eating apple from my hand. And it's so beautiful and a little bit scary too. I have new friends with me. I'm taking one. Experience. How did you like it?
No words. Very unexpected. Very surprising.
I gave her a surprise visit here. Pakshi Raja. Idana Rio. Rio, call me sir. Rio sir.
Hi Achu. Hi Achu.
So guys, this is marmoset, and one marmoset costs 4 lakh rupees, and it's very expensive and very rare breed. എടി നിന്റെ ആൻസിസ്റ്റർ ആണ് അപ്പൂപ്പൻ അമ്മൂമ്മമാരൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ.
ഒന്ന് മിണ്ടാണ്ട് ഒരു വീഡിയോ എടുത്തരോ.
Guys, this feels so slimy. ഞാനൊരു പേര് ടുട്ടു.
ടുട്ടു.
ടുട്ടുമോൻ.
Sigma face please.
Sigma